Got this fantastic goat from Lawrence and his wife, which we are going to treat so lovingly and tenderly with some amazing ingredients. Okay, what do we have here? We have some ginger, we've got garlic, we've got onion, we've got green peppers, we got lots of mint. Man, that rural life. Okay, time to assemble this. Okay, so we're gonna chuck some onion in here. Just half them. Gonna put lots of mint around. Beautiful green peppers go in there. Then we're gonna put some garlic. Some ginger. I'm going to season this all, cover it with some water, and put it into the oven. Put some water here. Put that into the oven at 180. Just keep watching the level of the water and top up where necessary. You just want to cook that until it's falling off the bone, essentially. Bye bye, my friend.
Hai kwindawo enjengekhaya, hai kwindawo enjengekhaya, hai kwindawo enjengekhaya. Ungaphothi umhlaba wonke, khuluma indimi zonke, uwahamba amakhumbi amane womhlaba, shone ndiza mshineni, wena yazi ukuthi hayi kwindawo enjengekhaya, hayi kwindawo enjengekhaya. Omunye lomunye ulekhaya lakhe madoda asibuyeleni, omunye lomunye olomuzi kayize asambeni. Ungaze uhlale emazweni abanye abantu, ikhaya lakho likulindele, ngoba vele kayikho indawo ngaphandle kwekhaya lakho ngahlala khona umoya wakho usuthiseke. Azukhange ngamalayiti edolobheni elikhulu nawo wonke amanuma womhlaba. Ayifana kithi yekela lokho kwenzayo abadala bakho bakukanunga makulindele bathi wozekhaya, wozekhaya wena, wozekhaya, wozekhaya wena. Ungaphothi umhlaba wonke, khuluma indimi zonke, uwahamba amakhumbi amane womhlaba, shone ndiza mshineni, kodwa yazi ukuthi hayi kwindawo enjengekhaya, hayi kwindawo enjengekhaya. Omunye lomunye ulekhaya lakhe madoda asibuyeleni, omunye lomunye olomuzi kayize asambeni. Ungaze uhlale emazweni abanye abantu, ikhaya lakho likulindele, ngoba vele kayikho indawo ngaphandle kwekhaya lakho ngahlala khona umoya wakho usuthiseke. Azukhange ngamalayiti edolobheni elikhulu ubone nawo amanquma womhlaba. Ayifana yekela lokho kwenzayo abadala bakukanunga makulindile bathi wozekhaya, wozekhaya wena, wozekhaya.